Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Hey, woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Are you excited? Oh, where you go? Oh, yeah, you're just all over the grid, aren't you there, Mama? Well, I'm going to the right, you're going to the left, you're just, woo. Here, I'm over your head now. Here I am. Come over here. You want to be petted? That's a good girl. You like that, don't you? You like to be petted, don't you, Mama? Hey, you want to sing a song? Mama, you know that I do. You know that I do. That I love you. Come on, sing it, Mama. She's gorgeous, little good-looking little lady there, aren't you? Here, we're going to get you a little male bird and marry you. Why, or marry you away. Never going to happen. You're just queen of the cage, aren't you? You know. He said, no, this is my cage. You can't hit my cage. This is my cage. What you talking about? Okay, Mama. Here I am. Oh. Close up. Say love you. Mama, you know that I love you. Sing it. Mama, you know that I love you. Mama, you know that I do. You know that I do, that I love you. Oh no, you're just playing on my emotions, huh? Oh no, you don't want. Come over here, Mama. Come here. You want to be petted? Hey, right here. This is my finger right here. You want? Over here now? Oh no, over here. Oh, you can't make up your mind. You're just all over the grid. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it. Oh, I don't know what you want. You're a little fidgety today, aren't you? You're just excited that Daddy's here. He's paying attention to me. I'm always paying attention to you, Mama Ruth. Yeah. Close up. Close up. Yeah, that's. Who's the pretty bird? Say hello to the people. Want to huff it? Want to scuff at it? No, she's just. Yeah, you want to be petted though, but you know, you want me to pet you on your own terms, you know. Okay. Okay, Mama. Okay. Come here. Yeah. Is this Mama? Yeah. Whoa, you don't like the camera, do you? You're a little shy. You're a little shy. Come here. Yeah, but now watch what happens when I go into the room away from Mama. After I get her comfortable petting, and then she's just loving it. She's just eating it up, aren't you? Aren't you? Say I love you. I require love yous. How about I love you? How about I love you? Can I get a love you, Mama? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Come on. Come on. Oh, no, you just want. I require a love you. I require a little noise. Get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. How about the police? You ready for the police, Mama Ruth? They're coming to get you. They're coming to get you. Uh-huh. It's just me. Just me. Okay. Say, see you later, Mama. Bye. Bye. I'll turn the lights off and see what she does. Lights on. Uh-huh. Yeah, she gets used to all that attention. Yes. This is me. Handsome, good-looking guy. Daddy of my Mama Ruth. Yeah, I'm the one that spoils her. Turning around again. Alrighty, Mama. Uh-huh. What do you want? As if I didn't know. What do you want? Hey. She don't know. Sometimes I can make all these kinds of sound effects, and she's like, "What's going on?" She gets all excited, goes all over the cage like you see her doing. Oh, you just see the cover. Anyways, this has been original uncut with Ruth's debut movie. You know, ain't that right, Ruth? Do you want to be petted? That's a good girl. I love you. I love you. I love you, Mama Ruth. You's a pretty bird. Just me and Daddy here. Yeah, that's right. Why don't you come out and say it? Say what you're thinking. Say what you're thinking. Okay. That's been Uncut with Carl.